This is a, if I can get it in focus, this is a Sterling. I believe Sterling is an English company. They have this one in particular has serrated and spools in it. They're not bad locks at all. They're actually kind of nice. They're not terribly difficult to get into, but I mean they're fun. So I'm going to use Lawlocks Tools 39,000, top of the keyway, and a Moki Standard. And then I'm going to tension counterclockwise. So click out of 1, nothing on 2. I'm going to click out of 3. Couple of clicks out of number 4. I think that's the serrated. A click out of 5 and it goes into a false set. And then pin 2 is a high set pin, but that opens it up. So that is the Sterling half Euro cylinder.